This video explains how to use the clone tools in SketchList 3D. A clone is a copy of an existing object. There are three types of clone. A basic clone where the copy is made but not moved, a clone and space, where the copies are located as you wish, and a clone and mirror, which copies and flips your object on the horizontal. Cloning makes an exact copy of an object including its location. It may seem after clicking the clone, nothing happened, but it did. The clone is superimposed over the original and not visible. Notice in the spreadsheet a row with a yellow background. That indicates that object is a clone that has not been changed in any way. This section of the video demonstrates the clone and space function. There are two types of clone and space. One in which you set the fixed distance between objects and one where SketchList determines the space between objects over a span. This method allows you to set the distances between boards. To start, right-click the object to clone. From the menu that opens, select the Clone Selected option and then pick the Clone and Space option. To set the distances between boards, select the direction, enter the number of clones, make sure the toggle is to the left. Finally, enter the space between the objects. Then click the Clone button. This version of the clone and space feature takes a number of objects and space them equally across a span. SketchList takes the location of the starting object and the ending point for the last object and divides the cloned objects equally over that span. The clone and mirror function makes a copy of the object and flips it right to left. Anything on the inside of a left board with clone to the inside of the right board. If you have an assembly with doors on it left side, when mirrored, the copy will move those doors to the right. This is used on it left side. When mirrored, the copy will move those doors to the right. This is useful also for any details on the board's surface. Thank you for learning more about SketchList 3D. Go to www.sketchlist.com for additional information and resources.